how you can watch private videos on YouTube. So, the first thing that we need to make sure of is we have the proper YouTube installed on our devices, whether it is our phone or your laptop, your PCs, your Mac, or any devices. Just make sure it's the authentic version and not the light version. Now, the second thing that you need to be aware of is your account needs to be logged in to the YouTube. Unless you've logged into your account, you won't have access to the private videos. To make sure whether you've logged into your account or not, you need to go to the right section and then click there. If your account is logged in, then it will show your name, your username, and then view your channel. Okay, so since I do not have anything on my channel, it's gonna come blank, like create content on any devices and then upload it, and whatever we make public will appear here. But since this video is about taking a look at private videos, now they are of two types. One is that you have a channel just like mine where there are no any contents, and then you want to post something, but you do not want the public to see it and only you can see it. That's one type of private video. The other type of private video is that you have a certain content creator that you follow who once posted a video, but now that video is not available on their channel. Now, that appears when the creator removes that particular video from their channel. We can only see those contents of the followers whose videos are made public and not private. We do not have access to other content creators' private videos. We only have access to our own private videos, that also only in terms of when we are signed into our account. So that's the only way how you can take a look at your private videos and also at your respective channels. So this is how you can take a look at private videos on YouTube. Make sure you follow our page for more informative content. Stay tuned and updated. Thank you so much.